Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and here let's find app and permissions. Let's tap on it and click on see all 28 apps. Now let's choose this three dots icon, and here we've got the reset app preferences, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you what it will reset, so it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default app applications for actions, background data restrictions, and any permission restrictions. What's more, you won't lose any app data, so if you're ready, click on Reset Apps. And this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.